Hey everyone, it's Untitled here and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, following on from my announcement that I'll be moving all of my live streams from Twitch over to YouTube, I thought I might put a quick little video together to show you all how to change your channel names on YouTube, because I know one of the things with YouTube channels is it can have your real name, and anonymity and your privacy online is important to me and to many, well, to all content creators and streamers. So I just thought I'd throw this quick video together to show you how to do that really quickly, really easily, so you won't have any troubles. Hopefully, if you're finding this video useful, you'll hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, all the things. You know, we know how we do things here on YouTube and how it has to be. So I want to quickly show you how to do that. So let's move over, shall we? Over here, and you'll see this is my YouTube page for my bot, which hopefully you'll all get to know very, very well when you come and say hello while I'm live streaming. As you can see, I'm using dark mode. I'm not a Philistine. This is how it is. And if you are also a dark mode fan, I want you to hit those comments and tell me all about that. So let's quickly run you through this then. So you'll need to come into the top right hand corner here where your profile picture will be. So you can press that, and then you'll need to come into your YouTube studio. Okay, so you drop yourself over here, and then when you get into here, you'll see this page, fairly basic stuff, and then you'll want to drop down here on the left hand side on this panel here down to customization, and when you hit that button, you'll get this channel customization page up. At this point, you then need to go over to basic info, click on that, and then you'll see your channel name as it is currently there. So this is CTR Bot. And then in order to change that, you just need to hit that little pencil button, come in here. I'll change this to 1, 2, 3, 4. Very easy, very easily done. And then all you'll need to do is hit that publish button. Hit that publish button, and there you go. Your channel name's changed. Done. But then it couldn't be easier, couldn't be simple. And that's how easy it is. Look, if you make a spelling mistake, you don't have to wait any amount of time. You can just quickly go back in, change it back. Jobs are good, and all is well. And you hopefully can go into a YouTube live stream chat and enjoy yourself and be a good part, positive part of communities. And that's what we all want to see as live streamers, as content creators. So hopefully I will see you all in some streams very soon. Like I said, if you found this video useful, hit the subscribe button, hit the live notification button, drop a comment, leave a like, all the things. But for now, thank you so very much for watching the video, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.